Hi, Tina and Raji. Welcome to our show.
Thank you so much.
So we are on table number 21, so let's get started. Raji, the first question for you, which I was just asking you. Why don't we see more of you on screen?
I'm tired of answering this question.
I mean, you have lots of fans and lots of critics.
I would love to do a lot of films in a year, but unfortunately the kind of stuff that I want to do not happen very often, throughout the year. The kind of films that I'm generally offered are the ones I do not want to do.
Okay.
So out of 10 scripts, if I say 9 of them wouldn't excite me, 1 excites me, but there are times when you're not very sure of the people who are making the film.
Right.
So, yeah, whatever I get, finally, whatever gets me excited, I'm a part of it.
So you're kind of very choosy.
I'm not choosy. I think
that the
the
problem?
kind of scripts that I want to be part of are not written every day.
Well done. He's not being diplomatic. I love.
I mean, yeah, that's the truth. So I want to do scripts which really, really excite me. Films which have a shelf life.
Yeah.
It really doesn't happen very often. So I'm hoping that I get too many.
Yeah, we really hope so too.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, you tell me, how has Bollywood welcomed you? How has Raji treated you?
Terribly. Just look at how scared I am with him.
I'm not good to people who come from West.
Tell me, how has the experience
He's been really cool. I was very nervous before I met him because I didn't know what to expect and I was hoping he wouldn't be starry. Thank God he's not. And also I was very distracted by how hot he is. You know,
And we have-
I love it.
we
I love
decided
it.
a few
He has
things.
a hot portion, and he's a huge female fan following.
We just decided a few questions, before we came in. So yeah, she's
Just
going to call me
yeah.
hot, and I'm going to call her gorgeous and hot. So
He gets so shy. I love doing this.
Yeah. But do you really
Actually, I
find
love
him
you.
hot?
you can't ask such direct questions.
Come on,
like
she
this in front of me.
just
Of course
might say
not.
you're cool
You
and
can't be
you're
lying
cute.
here. If you
I
lie,
think he looks extraordinary in a black shirt.
if you lie, you
Oh
die.
my God. So have you seen her work?
No, I haven't. I wanted to see Best Exotic, but what I did was I googled her pictures and I did a little research on the kind of stuff that she's done in the past. And my director did that little bit of, say, homework for me. He went and saw the film and he told me that I really think she's gorgeous. I saw the pictures, I saw her picture from her modeling days and I thought she was really, really pretty. And then I met her. Then we did the first look test or reading together and I thought that she's apt for the character.
Tell me something, have you ever said a lie which has really cost you?
Okay, you know what, I was in Delhi after my college and I was dating a girl. And we were seeing each other for the longest time while I was in Ahmedabad in my college. And I moved to Delhi and then we decided that, okay, let's move on in life because you are in Ahmedabad and I'm in Delhi. We can't kind of live up to it and all those things. So we kind of parted our ways and I reached Delhi and I started dating this other girl.
Okay.
Now this girl turned into those obsessive types and she came back into my life and she asked me, listen, I can't live without you, so I want to be with you. I hope she's not watching the show. So she came back to my life. Now I was very, very, I was concerned about her because I was dating her at one point. So I kept telling her that, listen, it's not going to be possible because I'm seeing somebody else right now. So please stay away. So she said, okay, let me just speak to you. I just want to speak to you. Now I was hiding all this from my present girlfriend.
Present one, yeah.
And now I didn't realize this girl who was turned into an obsessive lover, she got in touch with this girlfriend of mine.
Oh my God.
Okay, so now, yeah, so she decided, so this girl keeps telling me that, okay, I want to talk to you, and I would talk to my earlier girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, sorry. And this one would ask me, and I kept telling this present girlfriend also that, listen, this girl whom I was dating is in touch with me. She called me up and this is what happened. But you can't tell her that I'm speaking to her every day.
Yeah.
And I'm speaking to my ex-girlfriend every day so that I kind of get her out of this whole mess and just tell her to listen, chill. I'm like trying to be her friend. So one day, my present girlfriend says, okay, I'll be dropping over to your place to deliver this or something. And so she just normally asks me that, have you been in touch off late? I said no. So that afternoon, the doorbell rings and both of them enter together.
Oh my God. That's really funny.
Now I couldn't explain to my present girlfriend that, listen, I'm just trying to be good because she wouldn't buy that.
Were you like thrashed by them?
Completely. Now, and I actually smiled. I looked at them and smiled. I said, okay, let's go, teri to. दोनों ही जाएंगी.